There is one word to describe Connecticut, and that word is innovative. Connecticut has a real focus on advanced manufacturing. We build nuclear submarines, we build Black Hawk helicopters, and we build jet engines. The kind of things we make here in Connecticut require the very best trained workforce and manufacturers on the planet. This is high-value, precision manufacturing. For the third smallest state in the United States with a population of 3.5 million people, we punch well above our weight in the manufacturing sector. Connecticut is the sixth largest recipient of U.S. defense spending in the nation. Connecticut companies secure close to $20 billion in defense contracts each year. Every year, our manufacturers export over $17 billion in goods. Connecticut is home to 2 OEMs, 233 aerospace and defense companies, and over 2,000 supply chain companies. If it has to be done right, it is made in Connecticut.